It's like Groundhog Day. It's
almost.
Shannon Mallory is with us. Shannon, fall gardening. My goodness gracious. I didn't even know this was a thing, but apparently it's a thing. Are there certain things that we plant in the fall that we wouldn't necessarily do in the spring?
Certainly. So a lot of us, we get away from our normal peppers, tomatoes, basically making homemade salsa.
Yeah.
We get away from a lot of those, but we still got a lot of great ones. I'm going to try to read through all of them.
Really?
Yeah, we're going to. I'm going to do my best. End of the car commercial radio voice.
All right, please. What can we plant in the fall?
Bush beans, lima beans, cucumber, summer squash, beet, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, Chinese cabbage. Different than regular cabbage. Carrots, cauliflower, collards, garlic, Irish potato, kale, calabri.
Yeah. Love that stuff.
Tell us more, Sean.
No.
We just don't have time.
Yeah, right.
Leaf lettuce, leek, mustard, onions, parsnips, peas, green peas specifically, radish, rutabaga, spinach, Swiss chard, and turnips.
Really?
Yeah.
All right. These are all fall.
All of them can be planted some of them even into October.
Really?
Yes, exactly.
Wow.
So you're not too late to plant. We are too late for tomatoes, but not too late for fall gardening.
Okay.
Yeah. No, there's a whole lot of stuff that we can grow out there, and a lot of them you're going to have to go get seed to do.
Yeah.
Not from China.
Well,
not from China.
No, and you do. I know you. I don't know what the deal is, but I know it's a lot of folks. Officials, they don't necessarily talk about the seeds too much. Can you not tell? I mean, you did get some seeds. You do have some seeds from China in the office. Are they just normal seeds?
It's just the three of us here. Go ahead.
Yeah. Well, no. The main reason that we can't tell a whole lot about it is it's kind of like a client confidentiality, bringing something in. We'd have to be careful about that. But we received 10 packages.
I still don't understand. But that's okay. I don't have to.
We understand lawyer, client, and doctor.
Right.
Client.
Yeah. We just have to be careful.
Extension office, client, confidentiality. I don't think that's
I don't know.
It keeps me from getting in trouble.
Okay.
That's the key.
So 10 different kinds of seeds.
Every single one of them was different.
Really?
So the thought is, and this is coming from ODAP, is what they call brushing from online retailers.
Yeah.
We talked about that a little bit beforehand, where they try to boost their reviews.
So they're real seeds.
They are real seeds. Someone brought in a plant too that they had planted. This was they got it like a month and a half ago, and they planted it.
Wow.
Please don't plant them, but I know curiosity is there. But now you know, if you get unsolicited seeds, do not plant them. It looked like a little tree of some sort.
Okay.
I wasn't able to identify that.
Maybe a decorative tree. Maybe. Who knows?
Ficus.
Yeah, something.
Exactly.
Hey, let me ask you a question.
Yes, sir.
Not about China seeds, but watermelon seeds. What are what's the difference between the white watermelon seeds and the regular black watermelon seeds? Is there a difference? Can I plant both of them and grow a watermelon on my balcony?
You cannot. The white ones are underdeveloped. They have not developed yet.
Oh, okay.
Yep. And then the darker color ones, even if they've got a little white on them, still they're not developed. But yeah, you want the fully developed black seeds.
Okay, but if you get the black seeds from the watermelon, can I put them in a pot of dirt and stick it on my balcony and grow a watermelon?
A plant will grow. Here's the kicker.
Okay. There's always a catch.
Yeah, I know, right?
There's always got to be a catch.
Gardening can get complicated.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, but the seeds from whatever watermelon you're getting may be from a hybrid watermelon. So you have two heirloom varieties, you cross them, and you create a hybrid that has most of the characteristics of all of them and is a really nice watermelon.
Right.
You then plant the seed from the hybrid, and it's just a genetic roll of the dice of what you kind of get.
Oh,
and you may get this
fun.
You may get a little wimpy watermelon. You may cantaloupe. No, but you may get a little wimpy watermelon. You may get a big one. You just don't know. Yeah, you just don't know.
A roll of the dice.
Yeah, but it could be that one. If you just wanted to know, you could plant it. It would grow a plant. Likely.
Yeah, it would, likely.
Probably this would not be the right time to plant it, though. And you know what? You would know that if you went to the Master Gardener class that's going to be held at Pioneer Tech.
It is coming up, and this is a big deal. Please tell us about it before we run out of time.
Right. So Wednesdays, starting August 26th from 9 a.m. till 2 p.m., we will be at Pioneer Tech Center holding our Master Gardener training class.
All right.
If you are interested in becoming part of the Master Gardener organization, this is a volunteer organization in Kay County here, where we are kind of rooted in education and research-based stuff. We do programs for children. If you're interested in that and interested in learning more about gardening, contact the Kay County OSU Extension Office, 580-362-3194. It is $100 to do the class, but these are 10 classes, and we bring in experts, specialists, professors from Oklahoma State to teach on an array of different gardening topics.
So you can be a beginner.
You certainly can be a beginner.
You can be like Sean level beginner.
Okay, well, that's a whole different class, actually. That's a 32-week course.
That's not the
I wasn't
going to
take a shot at him like that, but go ahead, Mike.
It was.
Sometimes we have to be real.
Right. Yeah.
Where they start out by saying, "This is a plant."
I thought it was a giraffe.
This is dirt. This
soil.
Is dirt. Yes, soil.
We're already
learning. I'm already learning. All right, you want to find out more? Find Kay County Extension, Oklahoma State Extension Office on Facebook. You always stay up to date there. There's also a fantastic website, and I believe
extension.okstate.edu.
Extension.okstate.edu. That's exactly what I was going to say. And you can always call the office and chat with Shannon, and Shannon running into people at the bank, the post office, and they say, your voice, I hear you on the radio. And they're like, Shannon, you're the Shannon guy.
And then they followed up and go, tell me about my tomato plant.
Right.
Yeah.
And I will. I'd be glad to talk to you about it. So,
okay, good deal. Shannon, Mallory, thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, guys. It's always fun.
It is always fun. It is 8:07, and let's check in with Jed and get the forecast details on this beautiful Friday.